The dreaded hanging of the cordless tool charger. It's a pain in the ass. Until today. It's Tool Tip Tuesday.
It's Tool Tip Tuesday. Yeah! Tool Tip for free. Yeah!
What's up, everybody? My name is Clint. Welcome to the happiest day of the week, Tool Tip Tuesday. Today's tip is how to easily hang a cordless tool charger. For some reason, I see a lot of people on the internet with tape measures, and they're measuring the back of their cordless tool charger, and they're trying to figure out how far apart they should put the screws in. What? Doesn't have to be that hard, people. And today, I'm going to show you an easy way, not only how to hang just about any cordless tool charger, but I'm even going to show you an awesome thing to do with your Makita charger that doesn't have any hanging ports. It's going to be so easy, you're going to say, why didn't I think of that years and years ago? Let's get that sweet timer going. All right, so say I want to hang my charger on this back wall here. I've literally seen people do something like this. Oh, I'm going to put this on here and I'm going to draw around this here, right here, so I know exactly where to place this thing. You got to make sure it's level, so I'm going to take my line there, I'm going to draw it across like this. Then I'm going to take my tape measure, go like this. I'm going to find out, I'm going to go 1, 2. Don't forget that level again. You're going to come back over here and draw that line, then make a cross like this, and that should be somewhere in the vicinity. What? Let me show you an easy way. Doesn't matter if you got your attachment points going up, down, left, right. I mean, it's pretty simple, I tell you. All you need is a little blue tape. All you gotta do is find those attachment points, take some blue tape, put it right over top like that, stretch it out, get that indent going on like that, see? Just take the screw that you're gonna use to hang the charger with, put this right here like so, put that right there like so, take off the tape, then just hang the tape. You got the 2 holes that you just poked in the tape. Put in your screws. Get your charger. Line that up. Ta-da. Heck, you can even take this tape off if you wanted to. But wait, there's more. I'm going to show you an awesome trick when it comes to your Makita charger. You see, they don't have any of those fancy hanging brackets on the back of their chargers. How do you fix this? Come on, I'll show you. Makita charger. Garbage bag, Makita charger in the garbage bag, new Milwaukee charger. Oh snap! No he didn't. Yes I did. No he did. Yes I did. I kid. I sort of kid. And there you go. There's your Tool Tip Tuesday, and that's real nice like. Wait a minute. You know what else real nice like? That all new TRZ merch. New hats, new tanks, new long sleeve, short sleeve shirts. Link in the description below. They're super comfortable. They don't shrink. And every purchase helps this channel continue to do what we're doing. And remember, every purchase makes a Makita executive even more angry. If you want more Tool Tip Tuesdays, don't forget to smash that like button. Also, let me know what you think. Have you used this trick before? And if you have, do you like it? Or is there another trick that you like a little bit better? Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of these Tool Tip Tuesdays. We upload every single week unless I'm feeling lazy, and I just don't. I always appreciate you stopping by. And with that, we'll be back with more videos soon.